Hey, fourth graders. So today you're going to complete a Seesaw activity to help you reflect on your pre assessment for character books and to help you set a goal for how you want to improve with your written responses. So you've clicked the link to bring you to the Seesaw activity and you're going to add response. But first, let's look at the directions. It says you're going to reflect on your character pre assessment and set a goal for your written responses on character trait and change. So, slide one is on character trait, which is your first question on your pre assessment. Step one is to reflect on your response for character trait, use the drawing tool to make checks on the character trait rubric. And then step two is to set a goal by using the drawing tool to circle the level goal you are setting for yourself. Then you're going to go to slide two and do the same activity, but you're going to do it on your second question, which was on character change. So use the tool to make check marks to see where you think you are right now as a writer about change, and then circle to set your level goal. A bonus if you want to add in a voice recording to go through your pre-assessment to tell me how you think you are and where you want to go, that would be great. So you hit add response. You click on your name if you need to, or it'll bring you right to the activity. Remember, the directions will be here if you need them. So what I'm going to do is make sure that I can check mark on this. So I'm going to think about character traits and what we talked about in the lesson today and reflect on what type of response writer am I? So you're going to think about, are you a 2, a 3, a 4, or a 5? I didn't do that much. I talked more about how a character is feeling than really a trait that describes them. And I didn't really provide much evidence. So I'm going to take a minute to think. I wrote an idea about the kind of character telling a trait, not a feeling. Well, I didn't do that. So I must have been over here more. Yeah, I showed the character's feelings. So I'm going to make a check mark here. If the main character faces a problem, I wrote about how the character does that. I don't really think I did many more. I gave some text evidence, so maybe I'm down here. So your job is to take a minute to think which one of these boxes do you really feel like you belong in and read them to make some checks to see or to show off kind of what you're able to do. And it's okay if you only have 1 or 2 check marks because it's a pre. After that, you can think, I really want to grow, so I'd like to maybe go to a level 4. So I'm going to circle a level 4, but make sure you read through it first so that you feel comfortable there. You definitely want to grow at least 1 level. So make sure you read through to see where you want to go. Maybe it's going to be a 3, maybe it's a 4, or maybe you're going to shoot really high for a 5, and that's awesome too. When you're done with the first page, you do the same thing for the second page. There we go. The second page is on character change, so you're going to think about what you did. I wrote that the character changed. I changed feelings, actions. Okay, I did that. And I wrote up why the character changed. I didn't do that. And I'm going to read through these. Nope. So that's where I'm going to leave off. And then the same thing, circle your goal. I want to get to a level 3. And you are good to go. You'll hit the check mark when you're done unless you want to do any voice recordings. Let me know if you need help. You can sign up for office hours. And again, the instructions are up here if you need them. Be honest with yourselves when you reflect. I want you to be real because you can't grow if you're going to make up stuff about how you're doing. So be honest. Take your time and read these. And again, when you're done, hit the check mark. I will talk to you guys later.